Right now in May 2026, grocery prices have climbed 38% since 2024, fuel shortages are making food delivery unpredictable, and millions of households are stockpiling rice and beans, but forgetting the 44 items that actually make survival food worth eating. And if you skip to the end without watching everything, you will miss the 3 items that hospitals stockpile but families ignore, the one spice that prevents food poisoning, and the kitchen catalyst that turns 2 ingredients into bread. The average family spends $900 on emergency food, but cannot cook or preserve any of it when the power goes out. Let me show you what actually matters. Bouillon cubes are the first blind spot, because a case of 500 cubes costs $8 and turns plain rice into something your family will actually eat for 6 months straight. Each cube contains enough salt and glutamates to flavor 4 cups of water or grain, which means one box feeds a family of 4 for a month if you're rotating through rice, pasta, and oats. The sodium content is high, around 900 milligrams per cube. But during a crisis, your body needs that sodium to retain water, especially if you are rationing fluids. Chicken, beef, and vegetable bouillon are interchangeable in most recipes, and the cubes last up to 2 years in a sealed container even in heat. Most preppers buy canned soup, but forget that bouillon weighs 90% less, costs 80% less, and delivers the same psychological comfort of warm, savory food. Culinary researchers at the University of California, Davis found that umami flavor compounds in bouillon trigger satiety signals in the brain, meaning you feel full faster on less food. Now, let me tell you about cooking oil because no one realizes they need 3 gallons per person per year to cook anything. Vegetable oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil all have smoke points above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which matters when you are cooking over open flames or improvised stoves. A gallon of vegetable oil costs $6 at wholesale clubs and contains 30,000 calories, which is 2 weeks of energy for one person. Oil does not just fry food, it makes nutrients in vegetables bioavailable because vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble and cannot be absorbed without lipids in your digestive system. The Red Cross recommends 1 tablespoon of oil per meal per person to prevent vitamin deficiency during extended emergencies. Coconut oil is the exception because it stays solid at room temperature and lasts up to 3 years without refrigeration, while vegetable oils go rancid in 6 to 12 months once opened. You can extend the life of any oil by storing it in dark glass bottles in a cool basement away from oxygen and light. Researchers at Cornell University discovered that rancid oils produce aldehydes that damage gut bacteria, so rotation is not optional. Salt is the most forgotten item because people assume they have enough, but actually need 10 pounds per person per year. Table salt costs $1 per pound. Sea salt costs $2, and both preserve meat, vegetables, and even eggs for months without refrigeration. Sodium chloride draws water out of food through osmosis, which prevents bacteria from reproducing because microbes need moisture to survive. A 3% salt brine will preserve cabbage into sauerkraut, cucumbers into pickles, and pork into bacon, all without electricity. The human body loses 2 to 3 grams of sodium per day through sweat and urine. And if you are eating unsalted rice and beans, you will develop hyponatremia within 2 weeks. Symptoms include headaches, confusion, seizures, and cardiac arrest, which is why the World Health Organization lists salt as a critical nutrient during humanitarian crises. Iodized salt is better than sea salt for long-term storage because iodine prevents thyroid dysfunction, especially in children. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that iodine deficiency causes cognitive impairment in 60% of populations relying on emergency food aid. Sugar is another blind spot because it is a preservative, a calorie source, and a morale booster all at once. One 25-pound bag of white sugar costs $15 and provides 44,000 calories, which is 3 weeks of energy. Sugar does not spoil, ever, because bacteria cannot metabolize pure sucrose, so a sealed bag will last decades in any climate. You can make hard candy from sugar and water, which gives children something to look forward to during stressful situations. Brown sugar, honey, and maple syrup are alternatives, but honey is the only one that never expires because it has a pH of 3.9, which is too acidic for microbial growth. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs that was still edible. The University of Illinois reported that honey also functions as a topical antibiotic, so it serves double duty in a medical kit. White vinegar is the next forgotten item because it disinfects, preserves, and even generates electricity in a pinch. A gallon of 5% acidity vinegar costs $3 and kills 99% of bacteria, 80% of viruses, and 82% of mold, according to studies at Virginia Polytechnic Institute. You can use vinegar to pickle vegetables, clean drinking water containers, treat minor wounds, and even neutralize alkaline burns from soap or lye. Mixing vinegar with salt creates a mild hydrochloric acid solution that removes rust from tools and cast iron pans. Apple cider vinegar has a pH of 4.5 and contains acetic acid, which slows the growth of E. coli and salmonella in food storage. Baking soda is the catalyst most people forget because they think it is just for baking. But it is actually a fire extinguisher, antacid, cleaning agent, and leavening agent. A 13-pound bag costs $12 and replaces toothpaste, deodorant, laundry detergent, and heartburn medication. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with acids to release carbon dioxide, which makes bread rise without yeast or baking powder. You can mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice to leaven 1 cup of flour, which means you can bake bread from just 3 ingredients. The American Red Cross trains disaster responders to use baking soda paste on burns because it neutralizes acids and reduces pain. Yeast is something people buy once and then forget to rotate, but it dies after 6 months at room temperature. A pound of active dry yeast costs $8 and contains enough cells to bake 200 loaves of bread if stored in a freezer. Powdered milk is the next blind spot because liquid milk spoils in days, but powdered milk lasts up to 20 years in sealed packaging. A 5-pound bag of non-fat dry milk costs $18 and reconstitutes into 5 gallons of liquid milk. Each cup of reconstituted milk provides 8 grams of protein and 300 milligrams of calcium, which prevents bone loss during long-term food rationing. The USDA found that children on emergency diets without dairy developed rickets within 8 months. You can use powdered milk in coffee, oatmeal, baking, and even homemade yogurt if you have a way to keep it warm for 8 hours. Peanut butter is a forgotten protein source because people stockpile meat, but forget that peanut butter has more protein per dollar than any canned meat. A 5-pound jar costs $12 and contains 12,000 calories and 200 grams of protein. Peanut butter does not need refrigeration, it does not need cooking, and provides psychological comfort because it tastes like normal life. The fat content is 50%, which makes it energy dense, and the protein content is 25%, which prevents muscle wasting. Studies at Penn State University showed that peanut butter remains safe to eat for 2 years, past the printed date, if stored below 70 degrees. Powdered eggs are something no one thinks about because fresh eggs spoil in 3 weeks, but powdered eggs last up to 10 years. 1 pound of egg powder costs $15 and equals 3 dozen fresh eggs. You reconstitute powdered eggs with water at a ratio of 2 tablespoons powder to 3 tablespoons water per egg. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, which makes them a complete protein source, and they contain choline, which supports brain function during high stress. Canned tomato paste is a forgotten ingredient because people buy diced tomatoes, but paste is 4 times more concentrated and lasts twice as long. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste costs $1 and contains lycopene, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress during malnutrition. Tomato paste turns rice into Spanish rice, pasta into marinara, and beans into chili, which prevents flavor fatigue. The acidity in tomatoes also helps preserve other foods when you are improvising recipes. Soy sauce is a forgotten flavor enhancer because 1 bottle costs $3 and contains enough sodium and umami to replace salt in any recipe. Soy sauce is fermented, which means it contains probiotics that support gut health when fresh vegetables are unavailable. A tablespoon of soy sauce has nearly 1,000 milligrams of sodium, so it extends the palatability of bland grains and legumes. Asian grocery stores sell soy sauce in gallon jugs for $10, which is enough to flavor meals for a family of 4 for an entire year. Dried onions and garlic are forgotten because people buy fresh produce, but fresh onions sprout or rot within 2 months. A pound of dried minced onions costs $6 and equals 20 pounds of fresh onions. Dried garlic and onions do not need refrigeration and retain 90% of their flavor compounds for up to 3 years. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, has antibacterial properties strong enough to inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Instant coffee is something people overlook because they focus on food, but caffeine withdrawal causes migraines, fatigue, and depression within 48 hours. A 2-pound jar of instant coffee costs $12 and makes 200 cups. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, which helps maintain alertness during high-stress situations or irregular sleep schedules. The Journal of Psychopharmacology found that sudden caffeine withdrawal reduces cognitive performance by 25%. Black pepper is forgotten because people assume spices are luxuries, but pepper was used as currency in medieval Europe because it masks the taste of spoiled food. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases the bioavailability of nutrients by stimulating digestive enzymes. A pound of black pepper costs $8 and lasts indefinitely if kept dry. Hot sauce is another forgotten item because it makes boring food interesting and contains capsaicin, which reduces appetite and stretches limited food supplies. A gallon of hot sauce costs $20 at restaurant supply stores and lasts up to 5 years unopened. Worcestershire sauce is overlooked but contains anchovies, tamarind, and fermented vegetables, which provide umami and trace minerals. Lemon juice in plastic bottles is forgotten because fresh lemons spoil, but Bottled lemon juice lasts a year and prevents scurvy. Ascorbic acid, or vitamin C, is destroyed by heat and light, so most long-term food storage diets are deficient unless you add lemon juice or citrus powder. A quart of bottled lemon juice costs $4 and provides enough vitamin C to prevent scurvy for 6 months. Cornstarch is a forgotten thickening agent because people do not realize it turns watery soups into stews and prevents diarrhea. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water can thicken 1 quart of liquid, which makes small amounts of food feel more filling. Cornstarch also functions as a dry shampoo, baby powder, and chafing powder during water shortages. A 5-pound bag costs $6 and lasts indefinitely in a sealed container. Molasses is forgotten because it is cheap, calorie-dense, and rich in iron, calcium, and potassium. 1 tablespoon contains 60 calories and 20% of your daily iron, which prevents anemia during restricted diets. Blackstrap molasses costs $8 per gallon and was used by sailors in the 1800s to prevent fatigue and scurvy. Nutritional yeast is something vegans know about, but mainstream preppers ignore, even though it provides complete protein and all B vitamins. A pound of nutritional yeast costs $12 and contains 50 grams of protein. It tastes like cheese, so it makes bland pasta and rice palatable, and it contains vitamin B12, which is absent in plant-based diets. Coconut milk powder is forgotten because canned coconut milk is heavy and spoils once opened, but powder lasts 2 years and weighs 90% less. Coconut milk is 50% fat, which makes it calorie-dense and satisfying. Chia seeds are overlooked because people think they are a health fad, but they contain omega-3 fatty acids and expand to 10 times their size in water. A pound of chia seeds costs $8 and provides 60 grams of omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support brain function. You can mix chia seeds with water to create a gel that replaces eggs in baking or thickens soups. Dried lentils are cheap, but people forget them because they focus on rice and beans. Yet lentils cook faster and provide more protein than beans. Lentils need only 15 minutes of boiling, while beans need 2 hours, which saves fuel during shortages. A pound of lentils costs $2 and provides 25 grams of protein per cup. Miso paste is fermented soy that lasts up to a year after opening and provides probiotics, protein, and umami flavor. 1 tablespoon of miso mixed with hot water creates instant soup that soothes stress and provides sodium. Popcorn kernels are forgotten because people think snacks are luxuries, but popcorn is whole grain, high fiber, and costs 20 cents per pound. You can pop corn over an open flame in a covered pot, which gives children entertainment and adults a filling snack. Beef jerky and dried meat are protein sources people buy but forget to rotate, yet they last only 6 months at room temperature. Vacuum sealing jerky extends its life to 2 years, but you need to check for mold every 3 months. Ghee is clarified butter that does not need refrigeration and lasts up to a year at room temperature. Ghee costs $12 per pound and provides the richness of butter without spoiling. Jam and jelly are forgotten because people think they are luxuries, but sugar preserves fruit and makes bland bread edible. A jar of jam costs $3 and lasts up to 2 years unopened. Ramen noodles are cheap, but people forget them because they focus on fancy freeze-dried meals, yet ramen costs 10 cents per serving and cooks in 3 minutes. A case of ramen contains 48 servings for $6. Canned fish like sardines, mackerel, and salmon are forgotten because they are not glamorous, but they provide omega-3s, calcium from the bones, and complete protein. A can of sardines costs $2 and lasts up to 5 years. Potato flakes are instant mashed potatoes that reconstitute with water and last up to 20 years in sealed packaging. A 5-pound box costs $8 and provides 50 servings. Drink mix powders like lemonade or iced tea are forgotten because people focus on food, but flavor makes rationed water more palatable and prevents dehydration. Rice vinegar, mustard powder, and celery salt are forgotten spices that add variety and prevent flavor fatigue. Crackers go stale quickly, but if you add a few grains of rice to the package, the rice absorbs moisture and keeps crackers fresh for months. Powdered butter is forgotten because people do not know it exists, but it lasts up to 5 years and turns pasta into comfort food. Canned evaporated milk is more shelf-stable than powdered milk and works in coffee, baking, and soups. Textured vegetable protein, or TVP, is dried soy that reconstitutes into a meat substitute and costs $3 per pound. Wheat berries are whole grain wheat that lasts 30 years if stored in sealed buckets with oxygen absorbers. Vanilla extract is forgotten, but it makes oatmeal, coffee, and baking feel normal during abnormal times. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves are cheap spices that make bland food feel festive and reduce stress through aromatherapy. Dried beans need to be rotated every 2 years because old beans never soften, even after hours of cooking. Stock rotation is not optional because expired food wastes money and demoralizes families who discover spoiled supplies during a crisis.